Hello everyone, I'm the person in charge of the two-piece production workshop. Fland is a manufacturer with independent production capacity. The high-precision closed press behind me. It is one of the important equipment for two-piece processing. Every condenser seen by the customer, the fins on the evaporator. All of them are processed by this equipment. The fins of the medium and low temperature evaporator are currently being processed. The material is golden hydrophilic aluminum foil. 25. The thickness is 0.25 millimeters. 7. The pitch is 7 millimeters. The golden hydrophilic aluminum foil enables the condensation water to spread rapidly. A water film is formed and flows away. It can effectively reduce wind resistance and water resistance. 5. It has a 5% increase in heat exchange efficiency compared to ordinary aluminum foil. It can effectively resist corrosive substances in the air. Extend the service life of the fins. The high-precision stamping frequency can reach hundreds of times per minute. Ensure the high efficiency of large-scale production. The equipment has strong rigidity, high dynamic stability. Ensure that the precision of each stamping is at the micrometer level. It has eliminated burrs and deformations. It is finally formed after feeding, punching, flanging, and cutting. Multiple workstations. All processing is completed at one time on one device. Cold storage is not a fast-moving consumer good. The mass of a fin, it is closely related to the operation of cold storage. So we insist on the core components of the two devices. We produce independently. Take quality control into your own hands. Do every product well. Fland Cold Storage pays close attention to every degree.